Hi friends, my dear teachers, my mentors, respected principal ma'am and the adorable chairman sir. It is really a privilege for me to be on the video and express my views, my ideologies, my strategies and my objectives before you all. As you all know, this really might have been a really interactive and interesting session if this Corona Kal were not there. This is really a high time and sensitive too, and this pandemic probably might stretch up to the end of this academic session. Okay, so I'll just start with my objectives. So my objective number one, I don't want this, but still बताना ज़रूरी है. So I'll just brief you something about me because आज की condition के according it's ज़रूरी है कि okay, so yeah. So very modestly, I'll just tell you that this is my 12th year in Ramagya, and by God's grace, those 12 years were amazing. In those 12 years, I have represented Ramagya in numerous debates, numerous MUNs, skits, exhibitions, and in which we excelled all. By God's grace, I've been a scholar batch for consecutive 4 to 5 years. And then I was the only student but I was the only student from Ramagya to get a scholarship in the leadership program. I've been the vice head boy as well. I was the junior head boy as well. Now I am planning head boy if I really deserve. Then I was the vice house captain, prefect, scholar badge holder, monitor every year. But yeah, what I'm trying to say is I've been in good books every year, but then I am the former sports captain of your Ramagya football team, Junior 1. I've been a gold medalist in various Olympiads. I'm trying to say that I've excelled not only in academics but in everything, but still I'll not be saying much about me. You might be saying donkey telling its own tale. So I'll just start with my objectives. So my objective number one is Corona free Ramagya. If I really deserve to be the head boy of your school, I have a well established plan ready in my hand. What I really want, देखो, school कभी ना कभी खुलने हैं. I am not saying the school to be opened in 2 days or 1 month. आज खुलेंगे, 1 महीने बाद खुलेंगे, 5 महीने बाद खुलेंगे, कभी ना कभी तो खुलने. Someday or the other it has to be opened. तो जब भी खुलेगा, I want that the opening of Ramagya to be a big success, and I want this. I want the people to Ramagya to become the first school of India, and the people considering it as a model school. I want this to happen. But I want the people say कि यार Ramagya ने कर क्या दिया? क्या Ramagya ने कि Ramagya से एक केस नहीं आया कोरोना का. First school in India, and people considering that as a model school, for which I have a well established strategy which I am going to share with the authorities. But although I know my management is they're already aware of the safety issues and all the precautions that need to be taken while reopening the schools. But still मैं अपना हाथ बटाना चाहूँगा उसमें, क्योंकि वही 1 और 1 11 होते हैं, और हम ही हम हैं तो क्या हम हैं, तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो, हम एक हो तो क्या पूरी कायनात जीत सकते हैं. तो वही मेरे दोस्तों, मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, इसमें आपकी सहायता की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. बिकॉज एज आई सेड, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ कंबाइंड एफर्ट ऑफ टीचर्स, स्टूडेंट्स, मैनेजमेंट for making Ramagya opening a big success. I want this to happen. First school in India, Ramagya. I want this to happen. My objective number 2, getting Ramagya at an international front. I have a well laid plan ready, which I am going to share with the security, with the authorities. If the things work well. What I really want, मेरी दिली तमन्ना है कि जब किसी 2 लोगों में हार्वर्ड की बात हो, MIT की बात हो, वहाँ पे Ramagya का नाम है. I want this. मुश्किल नहीं है ये. I know my friends might be mocking कि यार क्या बात कर रहा है, but no, it is possible. I will make it possible. I know Ramagya is on its right path. It's going towards here. But वही बात है कि अगर मैं उसमें हाथ लगाना चाहूँगा तो मेरे लिए सौभाग्य होगा. And for that, which I have a well laid plan, I'll be going to share with the authorities and with the management system. But yeah, super strategy, I have it. Ramagya at the international front. Now, my objective number 3, opening a student teacher praise portal, in which like we'll be making a portal which will link to the principal ma'am or the academic advisor or the chairman. So like we'll just fine tune with it. But basically, what it will contain that students like can express their grievances, their grudges, appreciations of teachers, and teachers can do that too, because of which like both of them will feel motivated and like try to enrich their work, and collectively as a whole Ramagya ka success hoga. Okay, number 4, like I'm just trying to be very short and precise because I've been told that I have less time to express my words. So basically I have around 14 to 15 objectives. I have that in my mind, but here I'm just representing my like only the major ones. Okay, so yeah, my objective number 4, like maybe I'm wrong, okay, I'm गलत हो सकता हूँ, but I am of the opinion, like maybe I'm wrong, I'm telling you, but I am of the opinion that when talking with my juniors and having a glimpse of the current scenario, I feel that there is a lack in the adulthood education or in the daily life which you call sex education. I feel that to happen in Ramagya. I mean, to a certain extent, of course. To a certain extent, like it is थोड़ा सा ज़रूरी है. Like yeah, system में आना चाहिए, which we'll do if the management, of course, if the management allows me to do it, and it is yet to be discussed. Okay, so my objective number 5, creation of mentor groups. Okay, what is this? Basically, mentor groups contains 2 things. First of all, like they will be my friends of from 12th, from 11th. They can form like group of 3 or 4 people from like which are juniors, which can guide them throughout the year. Like usse kya hoga, the senior ones will get the responsibility. They'll be less distracted. They'll feel like यार हमको बच्चों को संभालना है, हमको गाइड करना है, तो वी शुड सेट एज एन एग्जाम्पल कि उनको अच्छा दिया जाए, तो दे विल देमसेल्व्स नॉट गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, एंड उनमें एक आएगी, एक आगे बढ़ाने की स्किल आएगी कि हाउ टू मैनेज थिंग्स. सेकेंडली, जो जूनियर बच्चे होंगे जो लाइक सिस्टम में नए आए हैं, वैसे भी यू नो द पॉलिसी हैज बीन चेंज्ड, सो दे माइट थिंक कि मतलब उन्हें थोड़ा सा ईजी हो जाएगा. दे कैन एक्सप्रेस द ग्रीवेंसेज, द ग्रजेज टू देयर रिस्पेक्टिव लाइक वी कैन से मेंटर. I'm sorry, we can say that. But really what this will make is the total satisfaction of both the parties, like of the seniors and of the juniors. Seniors को अपनी अच्छी skills मिलेंगे, juniors को satisfaction मिलेगा, which will result Ramagya success. Probably जो like I don't know the amount, but फिर भी if Ramagya is having 2000 students right now, वो 3000 हो जाएंगे because of the talks which people are going to do कि यार मेरा बच्चा is very satisfied with Ramagya school. That is what I want. Like in any way or the other, what I really want कि Ramagya का success हो. In any of the points, I feel like Ramagya का नाम ऊपर. अभी है नाम, I know, but फिर भी sky is the limit. Yeah. So like I'm really sorry. I had to share my objective 6 to 15 also, but yeah, lack of time. So yeah, I'll just tell you that. Okay, if you think I'm deserving, I'm not saying. If you really think I'm deserving, you can do this. But if you think I'm not, I'm sorry for like eating up your time. So yeah, I'll just wrap up and let's call it a day. So thank you so much, and we win. We Ramagya rocks. Thank you.